So um, we are a service provider. We're not a software company. We are a professional services firm. So we help our clients on their digital journey end to end. We start with, if required, defining a digital strategy for the company, then doing the consulting part around, for example, change management and things like that, and value capture to ensure the benefits which were targeted in the strategy phase are captured. From a technology perspective, we can help our clients in evaluating the right tools, selecting them, as well as implementation of those tools around, integration with each other, things like that. In select cases, we can also do operations, basically once the solution has gone live, managing the solution and so on, if those skills don't exist at the customer. I would say there are a few trends which are sort of common across industries. One trend I would say is the increased level of sensorization. So the costs of sensors are significantly sort of going down. So in the past, you would only have, let's say, a few critical parameters being monitored. Now the cost of monitoring additional parameters have significantly sort of gone down. In terms of, but there are also trends I would say are specific to industries. So if I were to call out one or two, I would say when it comes to relatively less asset intensive businesses, so for example, consumer goods as opposed to, let's say, metals or something like that, the key difference is that instead of having one large plant, they have a network of small plants. So increasingly, how do you manage a network of plants through, we like to call it a manufacturing control tower? That becomes significantly important if you are, let's say, a consumer goods company. If you are more, let's say, an auto company or a consumer, a white goods manufacturer, then in fact sensorization of the product itself becomes significantly important. So it is not only to say what data you're capturing during the manufacture process, but once your consumer is using it, how do you kind of get the data to provide more value addition to your customer? That also becomes important. So I expect different trends in different industries, basically. No, it's been great. I think a really good sort of mix. I really enjoyed interacting with my co-panelists. I had a good mix of people from manufacturing, non-manufacturing, from different industries. So you had consumer goods, you had consumer electronics and so on. So great experience interacting with all of them, and I look forward to kind of continuing to interact with some of them.